Oreo is eating pork adobo. Oreo there drinking water. Oreo is drinking water. Oreo is drinking water. With Panda. Oreo is drinking water. Oreo is drinking water. Panda is over here. Oreo did not finish his meal. Pork adobo with rice. Did not finish it. But he's drinking water now. Oreo is drinking water. See that? Oreo is drinking water. See the tail of Oreo is standing. The tail of Oreo is standing. Oreo, okay. Oreo finished drinking water. Still drinking. Oreo is thirsty. Oreo is thirsty. Panda, his father, is over here. Oreo is thirsty. Panda, his father, is over here. Panda, the father of Oreo. Panda, the father of Oreo. Panda, the father of Oreo. Oreo is still thirsty, drinking a lot of water. Oreo is still thirsty. Finished drinking already, Oreo. Oreo went up. Oreo went out and sit down. Oreo is relaxing already. Oreo is already relaxing. Oreo is already relaxing. See that? Oreo is relaxing. Oh, Oreo went down. Oreo went down. Went down, Oreo. Oreo and Panda, father and son. Oreo and Panda, father and son. Now Oreo is eating. Oreo is eating again. Pork adobo with rice. Oreo is eating pork adobo with rice. Oreo is eating pork adobo with rice. Oreo is hungry after eating drinking water. Not Oreo. Oreo is hungry. Oreo is eating. The tail of Oreo is standing. Oreo is eating pork adobo with rice. Oreo is eating pork adobo with rice. Panda is over here. Oreo is finishing his food. Pork adobo with rice. See that? Oreo is finishing his food. Pork adobo with rice. Pork adobo with rice. Oreo. Oreo. Oreo over there and Panda. Panda and Oreo is over here. Okay. Panda and Oreo is over here. Emo. Oreo is going out. Oreo is going outside. Oreo is going out. See that Oreo went out. Okay.